Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to increase the display size within Outlook. This helpful adjustment can make a massive difference if you find the standard text a bit too small or difficult to read. We are going to walk through this process together to improve your overall emailing experience in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page, which is easily found through the Microsoft website. Simply open your favorite web browser and search for Outlook Login, or use the direct web address if you have it saved. Once you arrive at the site, you will see the standard interface. Click the Sign In button to begin accessing your account. Enter your login credentials as requested, and remember to use a secure password. You might also want to enable extra security measures like two-factor authentication to keep your data safe. Once you have successfully logged in, focus on the primary mail dashboard. This is the central hub where you view all your messages and folders. Our goal is to find the specific settings that let us modify the layout and increase the text size. Look for the Mail section, which is usually positioned on the left side of your screen. This link provides access to all the main features for composing, reading, and organizing your emails. After entering the Mail area, you need to locate the layout settings. This part of the menu contains various options for changing how your Outlook interface looks, offering plenty of flexibility to customize the view based on your personal preferences. After you click on Layout, look for a setting called View Size or something similar. You should see a list of options, typically categorized as small, medium, and large. For this tutorial, you will want to select the Large setting. By choosing this, Outlook will automatically expand the text size across your emails and the general interface. There you go. Your Outlook display should now be much larger and easier on your eyes. This minor change can significantly boost your comfort and efficiency while working through a busy inbox. One last tip. After applying these changes, send a test email to yourself to see how the new size looks. If you are happy with it, you are all set. If not, you can always go back to the Layout menu and try different settings until you find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new view.